everyone there is super friendly. They want you to learn and they really care about your business. I'm Sarah Maher. I'm the marketing manager at General Kinematics. General Kinematics is an industrial equipment manufacturer in Illinois. We create large equipment for foundry, recycling, mining, and bulk processing. General Kinematics has had explosive growth over the past couple years. We've acquired 3 different companies, we've stepped into new industries, and we've made the list of the Inc. 5000 fastest growing companies in the US this year. So we had been using an SEO agency in the past, and we were just kind of noticing a little complacency as a small team. We needed someone to really step up and assist without much hand-holding or much guidance. When 97th Floor took over, we noticed that they were really looking to teach us along with help us with what we were doing. They took over, they were looking to give us reports, give us all of the knowledge that we needed without having us sit there and guide them through. We gave them a little download of our industry and then they really took it and ran with it. And it's been a great relationship since. So General Kinematics creates vibratory equipment, which is very niche, especially in the keywords that we were looking for. 97th Floor really took over, dived in and found those really niche keywords that we were looking for, and they were able to do a lot of the research that we didn't have time to do. As we've expanded and taken on new brands that offer different equipment, it's new things to learn. 97th Floor has stepped up and helped us take on that added responsibility and helped us with those new sites. Year over year, we've seen Google searches for General Kinematics increase by 69%. And year over year, we've seen organic sessions increase 14%. 97th Floor has been a great partner to work with.